everybody, so today I'm going to be reviewing the EST Genesis Multi-Candela Horn Strobe. So let's go ahead and take a look at the alarm. So here's the front of it. It's really small. I'll give you a size comparison a little later. Okay, but you got your fire lettering in red. Up there you have a little picture of a fire and a man running. I think that helps out a lot in the evacuation process, because then people have a picture to symbolize what might be happening. You have a set of holes in here, and then you can see how it gets darker in this little rectangle box. That is your horn, and then right here is your strobe. Coming on to the side, this is just a view of the side, and then on this side you have this little hole at the top. Right, and there's where you can see the candela it is set on, and currently it is set on 15. And then going on to the back here, you can see you have two wire terminals for this alarm. It has a black back, and here is some of the information about it. So let's do a little size comparison for this alarm. So this is the EST Genesis, and right here I have the System Sensor Spectre Alert Classic P241575, and there that is. So it is quite a small alarm, and this one is another common alarm too. And so you can see it's quite a small alarm, and I think that's really good. I think this might be one of the smallest alarms out there, so great job to EST for doing that. Alright, so let's take a look at the inside of the alarm. So I'm going to tell you this now, I'm not responsible for your actions. If you do this in buildings, I'm not responsible. I highly do not recommend you tamper with any sort of safety equipment in buildings, okay? So to open up this alarm right here, you see these two holes on the top? So you're supposed to stick a flathead screwdriver in, okay? And then you just stick it in and then you twist it, okay? And then you do the same for the other side. Okay? You kind of see how it popped off a little bit. Okay, and then you give a little tug, and the cover pops off. So this is the plastic cover for the alarm. That's the strobe lens, and there's a look on the inside. And then here is the alarm itself. This is really cool to look at all the circuitry and all. So it looks like you got your horn there. Right there is the strobe. Alright, let's go ahead and give this alarm a test. You will see the horn doing temporal 3 and the strobe flashing. In 3, 2, 1. Alright everybody, that was the review of my EST Genesis Multi-Candela Horn Strobe. The one suggestion I would give for this product would be the clips up here on the top. I would maybe find a way to put them on the side, maybe, because I've come across this problem before. If it's mounted high up on the wall, and pretend this little black thing here is the ceiling, you can't stick a screwdriver in to get it open, and that would be a pain for installers and replacers. So that would be my one suggestion. On 1 to 10 basis, I'd probably give this alarm a good 7. I really like how it's very small, compact, and it's also very loud. So great job to EST and also Edwards for making this product. I feel it's really great. Alright guys, that is the video. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And have a nice day.